What I want to do, by way of farewell, is to respond to a request that was made to me yesterday, which was to translate the Qasida, the Nafha an Bariya, it's called, of Imam al-Haddad. Like several of his Qasidas, this is in the form of a prayer, an ibtihal to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It might be useful if you still have the thing to try and follow my translation. O my Lord, O knower of states, it is to you that I direct my hopes. So bless me with your approach to me. Be for me and heal my mind. O Lord of Lords, your needy slave waits by your door. He has come when all of the causes have been dissipated, catching up after he had inclined elsewhere. O broad of generosity, give me your generosity. Goodness is your goodness, and it is with you. It is higher even than that for which your slave aspires. So at once overtake me with your mercy. O you who brings into being the creation suddenly, spontaneously, and who enlarges everything out of goodness, I ask you to draw around me the veils of concealment over my ugly actions and burdensome sins. O you who sees the secret of my heart, your scrutiny of me is enough, it is enough. So, through your forgiveness, wipe away my sin and reform my intention and my actions. My Lord, upon you is my reliance, just as to you is my dependence. In truth, and my greatest aspiration is your constant, immediate, imminent good pleasure. O my Lord, truly I ask you to forgive me. Never has my opinion of you been disappointed, O King of Kings, O Ruler. To you I make my complaint, and I weep because of the ill omen of my injustice, and my lies, and the evil of what I do, and of what I've left undone, and the passion for chatting and idle talk, and for the love of this base world, which is sterile and bereft of all good, in which troubles are constant, and which is stuffed with faults and preoccupations. Woe betide my misguided soul, which strays from the straight path. It has started to deceive me, beguile me, and its intention is only ostentation and wealth. O my Lord, it has overcome me, and it has trapped me with vain hopes, and it has pushed me over into base portions, and it has tied me up with fetters. My Lord, I seek your help in healing my heart and in untying the knot which is my affliction. So look at my grief, and it will be lifted. O my Lord, O best of sufficers, cause good, healthful, wholesome things to descend upon us, for nothing there is hidden from you in detail or in its totality. O my Lord, your slave is at your gate, fearing your painful punishment, hoping for your reward, and the rain of your mercy is always descending. He has come to you with his excuses and with his brokenness and his helplessness. So with your facilitation, defeat what he finds difficult, simply through your absolute generosity and bestowal. and give him the gift of a tawbah which will wash him clean of every evil thing and protect him from any evil return to everything that he had turned aside from. For you are the Lord of Lords. You alone have perfection, and it is through exaltation and self-exaltation that you are high above any metaphor or simile. Your generosity and your grace and your goodness are what are hoped for, and your strength and your overpowering are what are feared, and your remembrance and your thanks are necessary, and your praise and magnification. My Lord, you are my helper, so teach me everything that is good, and make your gardens my destination, and end my life with faith. And bless in every state the one who did away with misguidance, the one who was spoken to by the gazelles, Muhammad, the guide, the pointer. And praise be to Allah in thanks for blessings which have come constantly from Him. We praise Him inwardly and outwardly, and in the mornings and in the evenings. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Allahumma ya da'im al-fadli ala al-bariyya, ya basit al-yadaini bil-atiyya, ya sahib al-mawahib al-saniyya, salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin khayr al-wara sajiyya, wa aghfir lana ya dhal ula fi hadha al-ijtima' ya Rabbal Alameen. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ridaka wal jannah, wa na'udhu bika min sakhatika wal nar. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ridaka wal jannah, wa na'udhu bika min sakhatika wal nar. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ridaka wal jannah, wa na'udhu bika min sakhatika wal nar. يا عالم السر منا لا تهتك الستر عنا وآفنا واعف عنا وكلنا حيث كنا. يا الله لنا بالسعادة والخاتمة بالشهادة وعيش مفتوح بابه. يا الله بتوبة والقبول والإحسان. يا الله بتوبة قبل درج الأكفان. يا الله بها، يا الله بها، يا الله بحسن الخاتمة يا كريم، بحسن الخاتمة يا كريم، بحسن الخاتمة يا كريم. اللهم إنا عبادك وبنو عبادك وبنو إمائك، ماض فينا حكمك، عدل فينا قضاؤك. نسألك بكل اسم هو لك، سميت به نفسك أو أنزلته في كتابك أو علمته أحدا من خلقك أو استأثرت به في علم الغيب عندك، أن تجعل القرآن العظيم ربيع قلوبنا وجلاء همنا وغمنا، وأن تجعل الحياة زيادة لنا من كل خير، وأن تجعل الموت راحة لنا من كل شر، برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله تعالى رب العالمين، وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين بسر الفاتحة. الحمد لله.